So today we are actually going to build her a human-sized dog house to remember her. And some of the OGs know that what she looks like, and yeah. And it's just really, really sad that she died. We had to put her down because she had a cancer tumour. So let's just get straight into it and build a little dog house. And we will be putting her name on it, which, as some of the people know, is Lily. So yeah, I think I'm gonna actually make this a bit bigger. Maybe one block. I have been playing Sims 4 a lot. Just get my mind off of it. So yeah. I'm trying not to cry, so yeah. Because she was a big part of my life. I'm gonna wipe my tears. I wanted to make this video because, yeah, I wanted to tell you all why I haven't been posting as much. It's been only one week. I was crying so much yesterday. My dad was right next to her while she got put down. So yeah, it's really hard on me, and as you guys know, I'm literally crying. My brother's girlfriend is coming over, see how we are doing, because she was a big part of our lives. I think we're gonna go out of build mode and plant a little thing for her. And we're gonna see if I can actually put names. No, is this good? Yeah, that's probably good, but we want to make this the best dog house in the world, so yeah. Perfect. Okay. We're gonna make her a little dog bed, or just use like the sleeping bags. So it's going to decorate. Is it comfort? I'm gonna check. I don't think so. I think it's in bed. She was 6 years old. Probably the best dog ever. Because she was always so energetic, but when we found out she had cancer, she became less and less the Lily we know, and I'm glad we put her down so she's not in any more pain. Let's see, do they have like any dog stuff? Let's see what happens if I type of dog. Oh, not dog. Perfect. Totally not sad. What are we gonna use for a food bowl? Maybe just like a bowl with a bag of food. Cereal. Yeah, cereal. What is wrong with my spelling today? My hands are a bit shaky, so yeah, that might be why. She couldn't eat any like real food, so yeah, we had to give her some chicken just to keep her for a bit. This kind of looks like dog food, so yeah, that's way too big. Probably this would be good, and then that. I just miss her so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about, like, if you don't know about her, because I'm just talking about her and you don't even know her. I forgot to put this on. Don't know how. Yeah, I did. So yeah, I'm sorry if you didn't know her. I'm gonna put down a floor and a carpet. So yeah, that's the reason why I haven't been posting as much, just preparing for the days without her. So yeah, I'm trying not to cry right now, but I don't think it's working. And yeah, in different ones you'll see my plot. So yeah, I will always keep this plot because it's my dog's grave. So yeah, I think I'm gonna move it. But I haven't told some of my friends because Lily was a big part of their lives too, because they grew up with her like me. They loved her like me, and they just wanted to help with anything when they found out she had cancer. So yeah, I don't want to cry. But yeah, it's quite sad. She had this little platform thingy. So yeah, we're gonna put that more. It's floating. Okay, I'm not even gonna ask. I'm just gonna put it on. But actually, I do need to make this a bit bigger. Yeah, probably like that big. No. I think I'm gonna invite some of my friends. And they're gonna. Well, they're at school right now. I'm supposed to be at school, but my parents said, let me take a day off to get used to it. Get used to her not being here. I don't want her to not be here, but yeah, she was in too much pain. Too much pain. Okay, I've learned from my mistakes. I've learned from my mistakes this time. We're gonna make this the best one. I've been filming for 8 minutes. Wow. I will be editing this like I always do, because I sometimes edit. Yes, I do have CapCut, and yeah, the episode will be coming. I still will be posting. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break for a little, calm down a bit. I wasn't expecting her to get put down so soon, and some of you guys saw her at the start, and I deleted that video a while ago of me actually meeting her and keeping her, and deleted some other videos of her that I want to keep a bit private, because yeah, she's gone. It's sad how quick it goes. But yeah, put down in the comments if you think I should get another dog or foster a dog. I think I'm gonna ask my parents if we can foster one, because it'll be fun. It'll be fun to like have a nice little dog fostering community. some of my friends don't know, so yeah, I'm going to tell them when I go back to school, or I'm going to ask one of my other friends. Okay, that's nice. Let's see, can I find that thing she likes? She has this. She has a squirrel plush. So yeah, we're gonna put that. Well, of course we sold some of her stuff, but I kept the squirrel plush. It had all my medicine on it, so I washed it. So yeah. She also had a hat that I gave her. So yeah, she loved the outdoors. So yeah, I'm gonna put some trees around. But it's just a simple bush. And I'm also gonna put a food stand. We would go out sometimes and get some food. So yeah. I think we need to start coloring now instead of crying and going through the memories of her. What colours are good? It was so if we use no, not that. This looks the most like fluff. So yeah, we're gonna use that. And then and that. Cute. I'm probably gonna do a part 2 on this because yeah, I can't film like all day. I'm gonna give her. She also had a back injury or spinal disease. I think the cancer spread to her spine. So yeah, I'm gonna do part 2 on this and just give you a tour of it. Her favourite colour was black. Her whole doghouse was black. So yeah, we got rid of her doghouse when she was 4. But it's a nice little remembrance. A nice little remembrance. So yeah, she had a little fur wall. So yeah, little fur. It's so sad how quick it is. It's just so sad. Oh, my dad's sick, I think. Dad, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm still feeling well.
Yep, knew it. I'll finish this up probably tomorrow, and I'll give you a tour tomorrow. Probably just don't want to waste all my time moaning about my dog being dead, and you guys having to listen to it. It's just not fun. Not fun at all. I think I'm gonna do this plaid. That's cute. And now if we toggle very fun, I think it's time to do her name and that, but I'm gonna end it here. Bye guys!